Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Pardot tracking code from WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu. Click on Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, locate the header.php file on the right sidebar. Click on header.php to open it in the editor. Look for the Pardot tracking code within the header.php file. The tracking code usually starts with a script tag containing Pardot. Carefully select the entire Pardot tracking code. Delete the selected Pardot tracking code from the file. After removing the code, scroll down to the bottom of the editor. Click the Update File button to save your changes. Next, go to the Plugins section in the left sidebar. Check if there's a Pardot-related plugin installed. If found, click on Installed Plugins. Find the Pardot plugin in the list. Click the Deactivate link below the plugin name. After deactivating, click on the Delete link to remove it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. To ensure the tracking code is fully removed, clear your site's cache. If you use a caching plugin, go to its settings and click on Clear Cache. Alternatively, you can clear your browser cache. Finally, test your website to confirm the Pardot tracking code is no longer present. You can do this by viewing the page source in your browser. Search for Pardot to ensure it doesn't appear in the source code. Once confirmed, you have successfully uninstalled the Pardot tracking code from WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.